Today I am reviewing the Relndoo 2-in-1 Android 16 tablet. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding a budget-friendly tablet that can actually handle work, school, and entertainment usually means making a lot of compromises. You either get a sluggish processor, terrible battery life, or you have to pay extra for essential accessories like a keyboard and mouse. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at an incredibly ambitious budget bundle, the 2026 Relndoo 10-inch Android 16 tablet. This device aims to be an all-in-one, hybrid machine. It boasts the latest Android 16 software, integrated Gemini AI features, and a staggering amount of memory for its price point. But how does it hold up as a daily driver? Let's break down the details into four major areas: the out-of-the-box bundle, the performance and AI capabilities, the display and entertainment value, and the overall battery life. First, let's talk about what you actually get in the box, because this is where Relndoo offers immense value. This is a true two-in-one bundle. When you open the packaging, you aren't just getting a bare tablet. You receive the 10-inch electronic tablet PC, a dedicated Bluetooth keyboard, a wireless mouse, a stylus pen, a protective screen protector, and a foldable black case. It even includes the charging adapter and USB-C cable. For students, remote workers, or anyone on a budget, this means you do not have to spend a single extra penny on accessories. You can instantly snap the tablet into the case, pair the keyboard and mouse, and switch it directly into a laptop-style PC mode for typing up documents, managing spreadsheets, or attending remote classes. Next up is performance and software. The heart of this tablet is an Unisoc T606 octa-core processor, running up to 1.6 GHz. While this isn't a high-end gaming chip meant for heavy 3D rendering, it is snappy and efficient for daily tasks. What really keeps things moving is the massive memory configuration. The tablet features 26 GB of total RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory. Now, to be fully transparent, this is broken down as 4 GB of physical hardware RAM combined with 22 GB of virtual RAM expansion. This massive buffer ensures that you can use the built-in split-screen multitasking feature to run two apps side by side, like typing an email while watching a video, without the tablet stuttering or freezing. For file storage, you get a massive 256 GB built in, which you can expand up to 2 TB using a microSD card. The software experience is incredibly modern, running the latest Android 16 framework. Relndoo has fully integrated Google's Gemini AI directly into the operating system. The AI works behind the scenes to optimize your battery, enhance your privacy, and streamline security management. It also features intelligent lens capabilities, which means you can point the camera at documents for instant text recognition, quick translations, or object identification. Because the tablet is fully Google Mobile Services, or GMS, certified, you have unrestricted, secure access to over 4 million apps straight from the official Google Play Store, including everything from TikTok and YouTube to Google Meet. Please note, however, that this is a Wi-Fi-only device and it does not support cellular SIM cards. When it comes to entertainment, the 10.1-inch HD IPS display is a standout feature. It provides vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making it great for sharing a screen with a friend. Crucially, the tablet is Widevine L1 certified. This is a digital rights management certification that allows the tablet to stream high-definition 1080p video on premium platforms like Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and Hulu. To match the visual experience, Relndoo kept a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack alongside the USB-C port, allowing you to plug in your favorite wired headphones and listen to audio while charging the device at the same time. Finally, let's talk about endurance. Powering everything is a massive 8,000 mAh battery. Combined with the power-efficient octa-core processor and the battery-saving optimizations of Android 16, this tablet is built to last through a full day of heavy use. Whether you are navigating a long road trip using the built-in GPS, taking notes all day in lectures, or binge-watching your favorite shows, you won't find yourself constantly hunting for a wall outlet. To wrap it up, the Relndoo Android 16 tablet bundle is a highly capable productivity and media machine. It successfully bridges the gap between a casual entertainment tablet and a budget student laptop. If you need a complete, secure, and smart workstation right out of the box without breaking the bank, this bundle is absolutely worth your consideration.